Hi, Ms. Fitzpatrick here. I thought I would provide a little assistance for your quick lab and just being able to complete your graphing activity. So first of all, if you'll notice on your quick lab for soaring straws, number 3 says measure the mass of the straws. I've got a scale on my desk, so of course after you get your straw assembled, you're going to need to come up and weigh it in grams. Now you'll notice I have a conversion for newtons over here, because once you weigh it, you're actually going to, in order to convert it to gravitational potential energy, which is in joules, you're actually going to have to multiply the weight of your straw in grams by 0.01666, which is, and then you will get the weight in newtons. So anyway, so let's say you go ahead and you do your 2 trials. I picked, for mine, I just picked 2 inches and 3 inches. So with my 2 inches of stretch, I got 54, 33, 61. I added them all together, divided them by 3. That's how I got the average height. You know, that they were able to soar. Did the same thing for 3 inches, got 50, 98, and 71. Got the average, which was 73. So now here's how I was able to get gravitational potential energy in joules. I took the weight of my straw in newtons, my rocket, and I multiplied it by my height, and I just went ahead and did average height because we're not trying to make some amazing graph here. All I want you to do is to be, in order to answer the questions, you just have to see what the trajectory is. Is it going up or is it going down? And so anyway, so when you graph it, I just made a simple graph. I'm just going to show it to you. So on the one side, I did the centimeters of stretch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, I just picked 2 and 3, so we didn't really see anything exceptional there. And on the bottom, I went ahead and just made some markers for joules. I just picked, you know, 0.200 to 1.8 just because I was trying to get a range that my data fell into. And then I plotted out this one, I plotted out this one, and then sure enough, it's going up. So what does it all mean? Well, you know, in this question it says, in this experiment, what measurement is related to elastic potential energy? Well, that's going to be your amount of stretch. So that is the measurement. So obviously, as you increase the amount of stretch, say from 2 inches to 3 inches in my case, what relationship between the elastic potential energy of the rubber band and the gravitational potential energy of the rocket does your graph show? So it looks like as the stretch goes up, so does the potential energy. So obviously you're going to get to write out your findings. Hey, you could have different findings than me. I don't know. But obviously I have my answer covered up because, you know, you do it in your own words and that'll be good enough. So anyway, so I just wanted to give you an overview of what kind of information we're looking for when it says to graph it. Now, could you graph it differently? Absolutely. You could go ahead and graph all the points and convert each individual one. You're welcome to do that. It's a little bit more work, but you know, I'd like to see that. So anyway, that's all for the Quick Lab Soaring Straws. Good luck with that. Bye-bye.